Jericho Rosales, ganito magmahal. KALIWAT kanan ang bitbit, walang KAARTE para kay Janine Gutierrez. Welcome back to Celebrity Hub. Love is in the air. And today we're spilling the tea on one of the most talked about pairs in showbiz, Jericho Rosales and Janine Gutierrez. Kung akala nyo serye lang ang kaya nilang gawin, wait until you hear how Jericho treats Janine in real life. Recently, Jericho was spotted in several public appearances kasama si Janine. What caught everyone's attention? Jericho's no-frills, all-heart approach to loving Janine. From carrying her things during events to making sure she's comfortable and at ease, Jericho proves he's the ultimate gentleman. A fan who saw them at an airport shared, "Grabe si Echo. Bitbit niya lahat ng gamit ni Janine habang chill lang siya. Walang cart arte. Goals na goals." Another fan added, "You can really see how much he cares for her. Parang leading man talaga siya, on and off screen." In an interview, Jericho was asked about his rumored romance with Janine. He gave a heartfelt response, saying, "When you care about someone, you don't think twice about doing things for them. It's natural. Hindi na kailangan ng arte, basta masaya siya." Janine, on the other hand, has been all smiles whenever Jericho is around. In a recent event, she hinted at how thoughtful Jericho is. "He's so kind and so real. You feel his sincerity in everything he does. That's rare, and I'm very grateful." Fans couldn't help but gush over their undeniable chemistry, both on and off screen. Many are now calling them Echo 9, saying they're the perfect mix of mature love and modern-day romance. What do you think about Jericho's sweet gestures for Janine? Do you believe this could lead to something serious? Let us know in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Celebrity Hub for more kilig-worthy updates on your favorite stars. See you in the next video.